Okay, today I'm going to remove these bypasses and put in, this is a 30 pound bypass. So you can see it. This is a 30-pound bypass. There's two 10-pound bypasses. I'm removing those. One is under here. This is a 3/8 bolt. There we go. I got her. Pull her out. She is. Okay, I'm leaving that one out. Then I will use a filter with a backflow preventer. Now I need to use this same bolt. Use the same bolt to get the other 10-pounder out. Take a look under here. Right here. Here it is. This is a clogged filter bypass. I'm replacing this with a 30-pound, and this is a differential. So if the difference between the okay, just work her out. Got her. Now you tap in the 30-pound bypass. So it's a differential. So if the filter was clogged enough to not support to have it on the other side of the filter being 30 pounds, that would allow more to flow to skip the filter and lube up your engine. Okay, make sure these go in. I'm just going to tap this 30-pounder in place. Okay, make sure this goes up in there perfectly. What's here? Oh yeah. No binding. Okay, put this up in there. Now, tap her into place here. Sorry. There she is. Okay, that's all. Oh, that was harder than I thought. Anyway, that's a 30-pounder. So if there's a 30-pound differential, which might happen at wide open throttle, oops, put the adapter. Okay, this adapter here gets 18 foot-pounds. 18. So, okay, that's 18. There we go. Anyway, so now she's all set for the future. Now you can see the external oil cooler holes, adapters. This came from the manufacturer, whoever did that, with these in there already. This big hole here is from the oil pump, which goes around the outside of this filter, and then it comes back through the center to the oil galleys. All right, that is that.